Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to print a test page from a Brother MFC-L5750DW. This is nice and simple and can be done using nothing but the touchscreen you can find on the front of the printer. So the first thing we're going to do is take ourselves into the settings menu, which we do by pressing the spanner and screwdriver icon on the top right hand side. And from here we have a toner option, which you can see on the top left hand side. Just press to go into that. And here you can check the estimated level left in the toner or do the test print we mentioned. So we press on that, select yes. And if we give the printer just a minute, we'll eventually be presented with a page that looks something like this. Now, this page has a breakdown of both solid blocks, gradients, got some light text there, and should give you a good overall impression of the quality of your prints. Now, there's no cleaning cycles per se on this kind of printer, and most print quality issues you'll come across will be down to components within the machine wearing or being defective, and the latter is quite rare, to be honest. If you notice any kind of print quality issues with a new toner cartridge, it's probably worthwhile giving it a few pages. But failing that, just get in touch with whoever you purchased the toner cartridge from. I'm sure they'll be able to offer you some more help and advice and replace if necessary. I hope you found this short video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.